to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious chicken in red sauce, as I call it, pollo en salsa roja, that I know you guys are really going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. This amazing pollo al chile rojo, these are the ingredients: salt, oregano, tomatoes, chile guajillo pods, 5 garlic cloves, half an onion, and of course the chicken drumsticks or any part of the chicken that you want to add to this amazing chile rojo. So let's get started. I want to start by first preparing my chile guajillos. These chile guajillos are dry, and this chile guajillo is not spicy, but it has such a delicious and amazing flavor. You really want to remove all the seeds and all the veins. Take your time removing them from the chiles guajillos. I am using 10 chile guajillos. And here I have my 3 garlic cloves that I am going to wake up by smashing them a little so that it's easy to remove the skin from the garlic cloves. Once this is done, I want to continue with my tomatoes, and I am going to slice the tomatoes just like this, cubing them in small little pieces. And I am going to continue with the onion. I have half an onion that I am going to cube just like that. Let me tell you, this recipe really comes out so delicious and amazing, and the chicken really absorbs the flavors of the onion, garlic, chile, guajillo, and tomato. The chicken really comes out amazing. Well, now that I have all the ingredients ready, let's go to the stove. On the pan, I'm going to add a little bit of vegetable oil. I really want to cover the bottom of the pan. And now I'm adding the onion and the garlic, cooking it for about 2 minutes. You don't need to overcook, just cook it for 2 minutes, and then you're ready to add your tomato in cubes. Once you add your tomato, make sure you leave the tomato with the onion and garlic for another 2 minutes. Incorporate everything really good so that everything is covered with those amazing and delicious flavors. Once this is done, I am ready to start cutting my chile guajillos. Cutting the chile guajillos is going to ensure that they're going to get really nice and soft. So when you blend them, they're really going to get nice and blended, and there's not going to no need for you to put it through a sifter. So here I'm just going to incorporate everything really good. Once everything is incorporated, I am going to add 3 cups of water. Only 3 cups. You really want this chile colorado to be nice and thick and delicious. You don't want it like a soup. You want it nice and thick. So here I added the 3 cups. I'm going to cover it, cook it for about 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, the chile guajillo has softened, and I am ready to put all this into my blender cup. Of course, those liquids I am going to add to my blender cup. The liquid has those amazing flavors of the onion, garlic, tomato, and chile guajillo. So do not throw it away. Use the same liquid that you have on the pan. And now I am ready to just pour the liquid into the blender, and I am ready to start adding 1 tablespoon of oregano and 1 teaspoon of salt. Remember that the salt is to taste. So I'm just adding a little bit right now. And now I am ready to blend. Blend for a couple minutes. Make sure that everything is really nice and incorporated and you don't see little pieces of the chile guajillo. Look at this. Let me tell you, once you make this amazing, pollo al chile colorado. You're going to love this recipe. Well, once everything is nice and blended, let's put it aside. And in the same pan, I am going to add a little more vegetable oil, and I am ready to start putting my chicken drumsticks right into the pan. And of course, to this, I am going to add a little bit of black pepper and a little bit of salt. You really want to season your chicken. You want the chicken to absorb those flavors. So I'm adding a little bit of black pepper and a little bit of salt. Like I always say, salt is to taste. So just add very little and then you can adjust. I am going to cover it. After 5 minutes, I am going to uncover and then start flipping the drumsticks. You don't want them nice and crispy. You just want them to get a little bit of color. Once you flip them over, then I'll show you how they look from close up. You really don't want them crispy. You just want to get that little nice and brown right on the drumsticks. Look at this. Look how you want your chicken. Of course, it's not cooked all the way, but it browned just barely, and that's enough. Now I am ready to pour right on the top the chile colorado. I'm going to cover everything, and if there's a little more left in my blender cup, I'm going to add just a little bit of water just to remove the chile colorado from my blender cup. And now I'm going to lay 2 bay leaves, and I am going to cook for half an hour in medium heat. After half an hour, look at this. The sauce has thickened, the aroma just amazing, and I am ready to plate. Let me tell you, once you make this pollo en chile colorado, you're going to love it. The sauce is not spicy at all. It really has such an amazing flavor. Well, once it's nice and cooked, after 30 minutes, just cover it and get everything ready. Of course, you could enjoy it with white rice, with Spanish rice, you decide. But here I'm just giving you an example how to make this amazing recipe. And now after it has rested for just 5 minutes, I am ready to plate. But I want to show you the texture of the sauce. The sauce is nice and thick and delicious. Let me tell you, look at this. Look at the sauce. It's really nice and thick. After you let it rest for just 5 minutes, it even thickens up. And now this is the best part. Your mouth is watering. You want to enjoy this chicken en chile colorado. Easy to prepare with the ingredients that you have at home. Like, subscribe, and share. Let me tell you, thank you so much for being part of my family. Thank you for always being here and leaving those amazing messages. I really do appreciate it. And now I'm ready to pour the sauce right on the top and cover every single one. Look at this. My mouth is watering. I can't wait to enjoy. But I want to show you how tender, how soft, how moist these drumsticks came out. Really soft and moist. And let me show you with 2 forks, I'm gonna pull apart and show you how juicy these drumsticks came out. Look at this. It really pulls apart very easily. The meat is nice and chewy, nice and soft. The flavor of the chile colorado, just amazing. I'll see you in just a little bit. Can't wait to enjoy. I am completely done with this amazing pollo al chile rojo. This chicken in this red sauce really comes out delicious. Let me taste, because this is the part I love and enjoy. Of course, you could enjoy it with white rice, Spanish rice, you decide. But it comes out amazing. Excuse me. Mmm. 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 The chicken is so moist, tender. Let me tell you. When you cook with love, everything comes out amazing. Mmm. Delicious. If you liked and loved this amazing recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this amazing chicken and chile rojo. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.